Hello, dear tutor and companions. My name is Caroline Cugia. I'm from Valledupar. Valledupar is a city in Colombia. It's Vallenato's home. I am 35 years old. I am a mechanic. I'm working in a mining company in La Jagua, Cesar. Actually, I am studying industrial engineering. I belong to the group 544 of English A2 in the South Valledupar. I had the fortune to visit the Tayrona National Natural Park. This park is a 20 must-visit attractions in Colombia. I remember the days when I was visiting there. I arrived in September 2018 for holidays. I was there with my family. We stayed for 3 days. We went to the lost city and we saw the ingenious rings that are hiding among the vegetation. Usually the water is very sunny with a temperature of 25 to 38 degrees Celsius, but it's a nice water. When we stayed there, we enjoyed the beach and the sea in the mornings. Normally, in the afternoon, we walked through the park when the day was cloudy to observe exotic birds and animals. And at night, we camped to relax. That was a beautiful experience. Do not hesitate to visit it. Thank you.